Today, I'm going to show you how to create unicorn hair. The things we will need to create our unicorn hair bottle is 1 glass bottle with a cork. Then we will need some white pearl metallic acrylic paint, some gold cording, some white fake hair, a spiral Turretella shell, a paintbrush, and a hot glue gun with a silver hot glue stick. And our label printed on sticker paper, and the link for this is in the description down below. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is take our shell, and we are going to paint it with our pearl white metallic acrylic paint. And now we're going to let this dry. The next thing we're going to do is take our fake hair, and I actually picked this up in a little frozen party pack. It's an Elsa hair extension, but I'll also put a link in the description down below to a little white hair extension that's only a couple dollars on Amazon. But if you have a old Halloween wig that's white, if you have real horsetail hair that you're able to get from a horse just by brushing their tail, anything like that will work really great for this. But all I'm going to do is unbraid this, and I actually like that it's giving us kind of a wavy look, since Hagrid would often collect the unicorn hairs off of bushes and trees that would snag the hair as the unicorn was running by, and that way they were all humanely collected. He didn't actually cut it off of any of the unicorns. So I like that it looks a little bit more rustic and not just perfectly straight. And then we're just going to take that off of the clip, and we are left with white unicorn hair. And the next thing we're going to do is take our cork off of our bottle, and we are going to place our unicorn hair inside. And you may need a cooking skewer to kind of help get all of the hair in there, and if you want to spread it out at all, it'll just kind of help you do that inside the bottle. Trying to get these last few little wispies in there, and they're not cooperating. And when in doubt, cut it off. Okay, so now that our hair is in here, I think I want to move some of this around a little bit. And I think that looks pretty good. Now we can cork our bottle. And if there's any remaining little hairs, just kind of take your scissors and cut it off, because once we put glue on there, it'll encapsulate any of that and you won't see them, but just to keep them from sticking out. And to start to embellish the bottle, I'm going to take some of this shiny gold cording, and we're going to place it here on the neck of the bottle. And I went with gold because when a unicorn is a baby, they are a shiny, bright gold color. And I wanted to kind of represent the different stages of the unicorn's life with everything on here. So they are gold for about 2 years, and then they turn a silvery gray color for another 2 years, and then they are fully mature when they turn white, and that's when they're at about age 6. And according to the book, they are so white that it made the snow look gray. And I will put a link to a video above that shows how to wrap the bottle in case you've never done that with us before. Okay, so now that we have our gold cording on here, I then want to glue our shell we just painted onto the top. So we're going to do that with some silver hot glue. And once we get the horn stuck, then we can continue to go around and make more of the silver drips. And once our hot glue dries, we can then take our label that we printed on sticker paper, and just like normal, I went around the outside edge with a matching marker. In this case, it was a black. And then we are going to place our label onto our bottle. And once we get our label on, there you have it, our unicorn hair bottle full of magical unicorn hairs that can be used as a wand core or in potion making, or even to tie bandages on animals in the forest. And these were all found in the dark forest by our very own Rubeus Hagrid. These will be a great addition to our potion prop collection we've been making along the way. So if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.